Why Igres the Royal Guard lost to a newbie means our MC Jinwoo Un, who was not even close to a A-level hunter. Is it because of the plot armor, or because of our MC's skill, or because of our MC's surprise attack on the Igres? And the final answer is given by our MC in season 2 episode number 1. When Igres is ordered to kill a magical beast, Ice Bear boss, he beat him like it's not a fight, it's just a big bug is crushing the smaller bug without giving any mercy. And then Ice Bear had this cut off by the Igres. Even our MC was flattered to see that with his own eyes, because our MC have realized one thing. When he was fighting Igres for the first time, he fought him barehanded and defeated him with an surprise attack to his neck. But if Igres used his sword, he may killed our MC at that point, because our MC is not that strong at that time. But some people say Igres lost because of the system of the anime, and I agree with them. Why I say that? Because the system saved him numerous times. Please let me give you two reminders. First, when he was fighting knights and wizards and getting overpowered by them, and then our system saves him by giving him a penalty for not completing the daily tasks. Second time this happened in the season 2 of episode number 1, when a C rank dungeon immediately turned into Red Gate, and everyone thought it was just a coincidence, but it was not a coincidence, because an S rank hunter came here from Japan to kill our MC and that rich boy. And then system realized that and saves our MC by turning a C gate dungeon into a red gate, which is considered as a rank dungeon. And this gate won't let anyone get passed through from outside until the boss is defeated or till its collapse. And that's enough time for our MC to recruit some new members and train himself too, by fighting some strong magical beasts, so he can fight that S rank hunter to save his friend and save himself too from him. And at the end, system is the one who has been saving our MC from major calamities which can kill him. And that's why Igres lost to our MC, not because of his surprise attack, not because of his skills, it's just because of the F system. And if you loved the video, I will sure to give an explanation on how our MC going to get strong in that A rank dungeon. And to get a new video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to leave a comment too. Goodbye, sayonara guys.